Welcome to the Design Sharing. Specific purpose of the sharing. In the process of evolving our partnership with others, we begin with Saath, and we also have Ashoka Foundation, and we started off with saying, okay, we'll build houses that are affordable. And then we realized that affordability is not only about the house, the size of the house or the price of the house, that's not all, and that finance is the key element in making this work. Housing for this target segment, which is easy way to refer to it as bottom half of the socio-economic pyramid. And you're looking at housing finance, then it's so closely interwoven with every aspect of their life that you really need to deal with community development.
Housing is a work, it's a process. So it is very important for us to understand when does it begin and when does it end.
Within the urban poor, there is a pyramid available to say they are rich and they are poor within them. It's not very easy to just unplug the regular product program and to give it at that level and it works.
The way we are trying to address this problem after bringing it down is, first is, if you want to address land and property prices and house size, then two things you need to do. One is you have to increase the density of housing, that is you reduce the share of land price in the cost of the house. Second is you design small, efficient, livable houses. The second part of the problem is creditworthiness and availability of microfinance. For that, what we want to do is create an interface between our customers and financial institutions that can make the process of lending and repayment much easier.
The key is affordable and mortgageable. It means land titles must be clear. So affordable housing 3 to 5 for a 1 to 2 room homes can be in the periphery. The demand in Ahmedabad is close to 200,000 homes, which is present demand. Very important to know that as of today, this is the cost of home, this is the other cost. This is the margin amount they are supposed to pay at this point of time.
Solution is very difficult to find because it is very much related to macroeconomic benchmarking, with the use of monetary policy of the Reserve Bank and the fiscal policy of the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. This balancing between these two institutions has been a matter of great conflict, which many of you may not be knowing.
The quantum margin money. So that may have to be addressed, fine-tuned to the requirements. Always try to be comfortable to the finance companies. So finance companies have found difficult in compliances, there are going to be issues. So you have to make sure that you work closely with the authorities and maybe a self-regulatory authority is created. Connection, communication among all the microfinance. There's one more thing which has come up just from the state government recently, which says will not let you lend beyond a... So Money Lenders Act, they want to apply it to the finance companies.
The Federal Housing Administration, this institute part of the Department of Housing and Urban Development. This is the largest insurer of mortgages in the world. We need mortgage insurance. FHA is the only government agency that operates entirely from its self-generated income and costs the taxpayers nothing. Why should they keep with them mutual funds? 2 lakh crores with mutual funds?
The federal government has made a very large allocation for affordable housing. There is almost one scheme called SADIP, that is Scheme of Affordable Housing in Partnership, where 65 crores allocation was made, but unfortunately none of the states could take it out.
If you want to make an impact, then you have to go with an integrated approach. You have to address as many needs as possible. This would be to do with health, education, basic services, access to credit, shelter, and even building institutions amongst the community.
Revenue generating unit, or 50% of the family are generating their income from that unit. So it is basically a multi-purpose space. If you can concentrate on your clubbing your toilets or kitchen in such a way that your plumbing lines are like common walls, the cost of common walls, staircase versus length of corridor. So these things will start, contributing to the cost cutting.
How do you show it's not lots of individuals and actually that community coming out? Are you just targeting that one community and that community is going to be shifted? Or it's purely open, market driven and anybody speculators, anybody could come? How is that?
So what we have in mind is like this. When we decided to look at a set of case studies, we were clear that we didn't want to do a statistical sample, but we wanted a rich variety of potential customers, so that we get a range of situations that we respond to in all the three elements of the strategy. Open our window for applications, collect those applications, interact with the customers, use the interface that we are getting, and do a deliberate, considered allotment process. 30 square meters being the actual built-up area of the unit, then the cost comes 4 lakhs. Question in our minds, I mean, if we can sell it cheaper than the market price, should we sell it cheaper? Then our conclusion internally was no, we shouldn't. And we should charge what is the market rate and use the surplus to fund the other two activities which are anyway.
And they know, he's going to say, if I getting 2 rooms and a kitchen, or 3 rooms and a kitchen, or 1 room and a kitchen. Then he's going to benchmark it and say, well, these rooms are little larger, so maybe little more cost is okay. But if he does get down to critical discussions, I think he knows what a square foot is, he even knows what a square centimeter is.
Setting up a national housing finance company means setting up an NBFC.
Absolutely.
You have to put 2 crores, wait for Reserve Bank's license, and then get an housing finance license to do that. That will be for 1 year, 1.5 years. And if the repayment period is 15 years, for 4 lakh, 25 margin money, 25% margin money, 75% loan, the installment would be around 4,000 rupees.
3,500 at least.
Yeah, it has to be 30% of the total income that you are talking about.
Because you see, stock is small and the price is high, so people will come with Mercedes. And
this is one of the reasons why we took a decision that the product itself should not be subsidized. So it should be at par with it. It shouldn't be like they can sell it at a premium and then still manage to buy something from the market which is equivalent.
That community development initiative is the core component of its business strategy.
Yes.
Even if it is not there, as far as business is concerned, what difference does it make?
It doesn't make any difference.
It doesn't make any difference. So that's why the risk is that it is a philanthropy.
We don't have any direct commercial interest in doing any of those. Let's accept that. We don't have. And we have no illusions that we have either. We want to build and sell houses, living environment. We want to build housing which is far superior for this target segment than is available to them in any form as of today. We came to this from a recognition that as long as the real estate venture doesn't address the finance and social services components of housing, the housing doesn't seem to work. We are looking at the possibility of making these three things work together. Not even the government is providing a platform for an organization like SAP to intervene and make it work.
We see there's good business for us.
Yeah,
Really?
it's a two-way movement. It's not like we are going.
I have no dispute with that. It's just that why should government or TBS or anybody create platform?
They want it as much as we want it for making this happen.
Okay, let's go back to that.
Yeah, here the shared cost is security.
what security? You are there, you have a legal paper for your house and you are staying there, you have paid the money. Why do you
That's
want
right.
security?
So, but they are shared cost.
All these questions I am asking is basically to make it very crisp what
Yeah.
you are trying to do.
Credit guarantee for affordable housing is a great market, and there are people interested to bring in money for credit guarantee into this. This is not like a mortgage insurance. If we can structure a way to provide credit guarantees, I think raising funds for this will not be a problem, but we need the structure.
Person who has not filed his IT return or doesn't have a salary slip, he may not have a one page to show proof of his income. But if an institution like SAT, for example, has already given him a loan in the past, which has been paid off, there is a proxy or a substitute for an income which is already available. There is probably a need, and that is where professionals and education comes in, to document the reality, which means to document what has already happened. But we can step in, document his income by way of his financial track record that exists. Once you start building the database for your people, our path, our success with all institutions will be easier. The town planning scheme, about 4 to 10% of land is reserved for EWS housing. Government is not able to build housing for poor. So such type of private companies may take initiative for land for making such development with the certain terms and conditions and also restrictions for the allocation of housing within that land.
Microfinance is one important area to organize these poor. Maybe Sat also has that experience that you organize them under one banner and then it helps you in several ways on social aspects and also banking.
We do policies, not knowing what will happen on the ground. And there is another group of people who are talking of projects. एक जमीन का टुकड़ा है उसमें घर कैसे बनाए? But what we need is that project becomes an input for the policy. And that is what we are attempting. How much it will happen, but that you should at the back of the mind, whatever people are saying, talking about changing bylaws, that is basically that whole issue of going from projects to policies, not focusing on one of them. I think that's a very good point.
The site is very typical actually.
The people who made the rules did not have to pay any attention to the costs. I mean, nobody who makes the, for example, the electricity bylaws has to pay the cost. Every standard become big. Requirement now that COP, all of these, COP, all of these are